how to add meta description in Elementor. So the first thing that we want to do is open up the WordPress dashboard. Here we'll hover over plugins and then add new plugin. We want to search for Yoast. So just search for Yoast and install this application, Yoast SEO. Now after you have installed it, you'll obviously need to activate it and then refresh your page so it appears right here at the bottom. Now once we have it set up, we can go to pages, and depending on whichever page we want to edit the meta description for, I will do this one as an example. I'll just click on the name and it's going to load it up in WordPress Elementor, and you should be able to have this tab Yoast SEO. Now here you will see a section for meta description, and this is basically what is going to show up right here. So for example, contact net help support on this page. You can also use AI to generate a meta description. And then after you have done this and you have typed it out, you can just click on update, and that's how you add a meta description to pages in Elementor. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.